How to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, head over to the menu that is on the bottom right to check all your groups. Now you'll find a groups option right here. Tap on it and you'll find all the groups that you're affiliated to. Head over to the groups where you want to post, and right there under the post section you will find an option to post. Tap on it and right here you will see post anonymously. Just toggle that button on. Now whatever you type in here, you'll be able to post it. Now whatever you type here, tap on post. You can add photos, you can add locations, you can add GIFs, whatever you want, and then tap on post. Now your admins of the group will just view your post and then they will allow it and it should get posted. And that is how you post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.